everybody, so today we're going to be talking about the smart weighted fit hoop. It's basically when it comes out of the box, it comes out with the pieces of the hula hoop or the fit hoop. So we just have to put it together. So it's super easy to put together. The instructions come with it, super simple, super easy. Gives you step by step what to do, not to do, all that stuff. So it comes with the fit hoop and it comes with the little weight attachment. It's also digital here, so you can see how fast you can reset it. It comes with a little reset buttons here. So that's super simple and super easy for everybody to use. So let's go ahead and put this together. Alrighty everybody, so for this fit hula hoop, all we have to do is basically push these buttons down and you're pushing these together. Depending on what your waist size, that you can either add these extra ones or you can just have it fit to my waist. So basically I just put all of them and I just have 2 of them left over here. So basically you turn it on and then you have this going to 0, and then let's go ahead and do some hula hooping. And it tells you how many times you did hula hooping. So I did here would be 15.